Baby Yama don't need no drama.
Hey, Yama. Do you have a mama?
This llama don't need no drama.
Because it has a mama.
And it's a llama.
Oh, it's sitting down.
And his dad is a farmer.
From Obama. Oh, this reminds me of Charlotte's Web.
Oh yeah.
Wilbur!
Wilbur!
Wilbur! Wilbur! What's the goose's name in Charlotte's Web? Or is there one? Look at the piggy!
Oh, what's wrong with your wing? Are you okay? Oh, you okay? Are you okay, guys? Look at the baby one.
Oh my gosh! Look at the baby!
I think it just pooped.
Aw, so cute! Did you poop over there? There's a rooster with it. There's two roosters.
Do you see that one? That lighter colored one on the other side of the fence?
Yeah.
It has blue eyes.
Aw. That's so cute. It's up there. You can walk all the way over there. Here, go.
What is this? It's a goatee. It's a goatee.
Come on, Ed.
Okay. Oh my gosh. 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 She knows it.
I remember Daddy's hands folded silently in prayer and reaching out to hold me when I had an nightmare. You could read quite a story in the countless lines. Years of work and worry had left them up behind. I remember Daddy's hands, how they held my moment's hand, patted my back for something done right. There are things that I've forgotten that I loved about the man, but I'll always remember the love in Daddy's hand. But I could never love again. He's the only one who needs Jolene. I had to have this talk with you. My happiness depends on you and whatever you decide to do, Jolene. Jolene, 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 Jolene. I'm begging of you, please don't take my hand. Jolene, 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 Jolene. Please don't take him even though you can. Jolene, come on, come on, come on and take it. Take another little piece of my heart now, baby. Break it, break another
Oh no, I think. Right there's where you threw the corn last time, wasn't it?
Marco!
Yeah.
It kind of works.
Sweet salvation on the dining room table waiting on me. Where the numb meets the lonely. It's gone before it ever melts the ice. Another vice, another town, another bed I should crawl out of. 7 a.m. with shoes in my hand. Don't know where I am or how I got here. Well, the only thing that I know how to find is another vice. Ooh, another vice.
Just stand there, boom, free like the whiskey in the bar. Sinning was a big thing, Lord, Satan was his star.
I can't drink it that fast.
Look at that chicken. Look at that chicken. Chicken! Look at the Easter bunny right there. Oh, there's a goat. And there's a sheep. Come here, here's a cow. Oh my gosh.
Money hungry goat.
If you eat my money, I'll be mad at you.
Oh,
Thank you.
give me that.
She's running away. He has a crush on her.
I like it. It smells good. I'll go back for money.
He found his love. They're running after each other.